Welcome back to Paul DaFox. Today we're going to be doing some work on the Beast and prepping it for the winter season. So there's a bunch of little things that I got to get done. I'm going to throw some mats under the tires and pump them up to avoid those flat spots. I'm going to remove the parachute. Don't really need that at the moment. I'm going to throw a charcoal charger on the battery, and then I'm going to change the plugs. At the dyno session, we ran a step colder plug, so I'm going to put some hotter plugs back in. Then I'm going to fire it up. I actually haven't started it since the dyno session, which has been about 2 weeks now. So once I get all these little things done, then probably for the next video, I'll start putting the fenders and the the front bumper and the hood and putting it all back together. So let's see what I get through today. So let's get started. All right, so this is why I'm taking off the parachute. As you can see, it's kind of tight to the garage door, and it kind of cuts off my access around the car. I've pushed the car a little further back to give me some room to work at the front when I start putting the fenders and the hood and nose and all that stuff on. But you guys probably can't see it, but I got a little cotter pin already on the parachute. That's gonna hold the chute in place and obviously prevent it from popping when I remove the cable. But the first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump underneath and take out the nut and bolt that holds the chute mount in place. I'm just backing it off. Nice snug fit, so that's perfect. There we go. All right, so that should. Oh yeah. There we go. We're loose. All right, cotter pins in, moment of truth. There you go. Voila. All right, while I'm at the back here, I might as well put the charcoal charger on, so let's get that done. Here's the charger that I use. I like these Noco Genius ones. I use them on everything. I got one on my tractor, one on another vehicle, so they're really good. This is actually the newer model. The previous model to these guys were the the Noco Genius 750, I believe it was. But anyways, great little product. So I'm going to unbox it. You don't need to see that. We're going to throw it on real quick and call it. All right, here's the battery terminal connectors. Got a little inline fuse, which is always nice. And then it's got this quick little disconnect plug to the power source. So let's get these guys on. All right, that's about it. Here's what the unit itself looks like. It's actually pretty small if you compare it to my hand. Very simple to use. You basically just pick your 12 volt. So this guy can do 12 volt AGM, 12 volt lithium, and 6 volt. Okay. So we're gonna just connect it pretty quick. Plug it in. turns on, and now it's already identified itself as a 12-volt battery. So it's going to flash orange, as you see, kind of like pulse orange. Then once the battery is fully charged, it will go a solid green. Actually, it just went green already. So it's a fresh battery, so no surprise, it's already green. So now it's just gonna stay in a float mode. I just kind of mounted it right there, kind of hanging off of the parachute wire. So, all right, so I'm gonna change the plugs now. I'm gonna drop in some new NGK TR6s back in. Actually, gotta gap them first, and then I'll throw the video on time lapse for you guys. Alright, so the plugs are changed. I put just a smidge of anti-seize on each one, double check the gap before they went in, and they're all nice and snug. So just going to give it a cold start and let it run for a bit. That's it for today. I've run out of time and I gotta go, but thanks for staying with me and watching the video. I got everything done that I want to get done today, minus getting some mats under the wheels. No big deal. The cold startup went well. Once she got nice and warm, she was idling nice and smooth and sounded super mean. Other than that, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash that subscribe button. As always, you guys know I appreciate you watching my videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.